Hey everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with a unboxing. Yes. Anyway, so I was about to do another video, and then I saw the mailman, and I had ordered some stuff from AliExpress, and I also got my Stamps of Life dies. I am in the monthly subscription. It's a, what is it called? It's a folded die set, and that's what I got. And so this came with that. It comes with stencils, it comes with a inspirational card, and what the items that come along with that. So that's what it looks like. Here are the stencils, and I believe she said there was 4 stencils this time. So awesome. Usually there's only 2, so 2 free stencils for the folded club members. So there's an additional 2 more, and here is the die itself. And how cute is that? Oh my goodness, I love it. So I've been in her folded club for a while already, for almost, I want to say almost a year. And to be honest with you guys, she's like, I don't do folded or clubs because I won't play with them. And sure enough, she's right. I try it, and I just let time get ahead of me. Anyway, so what did I get from AliExpress? So I got these poppy flowers. How cute are these? So I did get these before the tariff started. So I did get the Hannah had from cathyscreativekrafts had a week prior to tariffs going up, she released, or she showed her dies for the May month, and she has it's a month. Oh my goodness, I apologize. It is a month. Oh my goodness, it's a birthday month. So I'm so excited. I don't know, I love dies that are birthday dies, so I was so excited. And these are just the banner would celebrate birthday, and I think this one says hippie, or not too sure. I'll find out once I die cut it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so she did have the trio ice cream, and my thing on this is that I actually have a few dies, and they're a lot bigger, and I was like, oh my goodness, it's gonna be the big one. So I'm actually excited because it is a smaller one. It's not the big one as I was thinking it was going to be, so yay for that. So it is 3 of them, I think. I don't know, I'll figure it out. I think this one goes with this one, and this goes with this one, but I am excited. The ice cream, oh my goodness, that's so cute. So I'll put these back once I'm done showing you guys. And then, oh my goodness, so when I first ordered, I ordered everything she had on the May release, and somehow my purchase did not go through. Might have been because other people were trying to get the same stuff. So I did have to make various purchases. So one of the ones that I had missed out on was this birthday banner, which I really wanted. Luckily, she had it back out in about 2-3 days. So I'm so excited. You guys hear background noise? That is my washing machine going off like crazy. And here is the other one. So I'm so excited. There's 2 actually on this one. There's 2 different banners, and there's the little oh my goodness, the dog balloon, and the pinata, and the balloons, and the birthday. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then I did get the fantasy flower. I don't have this one, but I was like, I need flowers. I need more flowers. I do have flowers, and I was just so excited. And then I got the balloon. Oh my goodness, this one is bigger than I had thought, and I'm so excited it is bigger. I love balloons, birthday items, so I'm so excited. This one is bigger than what I thought. I thought it was going to be smaller, so yay for that. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? So excited. I do have some balloon dies, and I think somebody gifted me some too. So I'm so excited. Anyways, that is it for this haul. you guys, thank you for taking the time to watch. And if you guys are able to, I believe she did mention that these were actually out on oh my goodness, Crafts Amazon shop. So do go check it over there. Without the tariff hike, last I checked, some of the shipping was $7, $10, $14. I'm not too sure if that's still enforced or not, but hey, make sure you check that shipping cost, before you hit purchase. And anyways, thank you guys for taking the time to watch, and we will see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.